I call upon you, Nigerian police, Bikonu, free my boyfriend. Free my boyfriend, Verydarkman. Free my boyfriend, Verydarkman. I'm pregnant for him. I'm pregnant for Verydarkman. Look at my condition. I cannot be in this condition, and my boyfriend will be in prison. Bikonu, free him. Free him. Pregnant woman is begging you people, Bikonu, free Verydarkman for me.
My people, another kasara don burst for Verydarkman head. He still dey kiri another trouble still dey for outside. They wait for him. Na so this girl cry come out say make police biko free Verydarkman, say she get belle for am. I be think say na cloud chasing, but the way this girl just dey cry, I come the reason am say maybe this thing na true. Maybe Verydarkman get girlfriend wey he be dey hide for internet. No be small thing. This girl really cried though. He come dey beg police say look at me now, a very pregnant woman just dey kneel down dey beg una say make una free Verydarkman. He come dey ask Tonto, dikeh and Bobrisky. She no know say Bobrisky no dey part of people wey arrest Verydarkman, because according to Verydarkman lawyer, he talk say na 3 people wey arrest Verydarkman. He talk say na Tonto, dikeh, iyabo and Sam Larry. Na the 3 of them dey behind the locking of Verydarkman. No be small thing. I go play the video make una hear wetin this pregnant lady talk. He cry very well, come dey beg police say biko abeg get journal, make una release my boyfriend. I carry belle for am. Make I play the rest of the video, make una hear wetin she talk. Grab popcorn, watch to the very end. Don't skip any part of this video because the ending part will shock you. Okay guys, see you guys on my next episode. Don't forget to like, comment, share. If they give me one kind of encouragement to continue. Stay safe out there. See you guys on my next episode. Bye.
How will I be feeding? How will I be taking care of myself when they have taken the person that is taking care of me? Because Nigerian police, Biko, I'm begging you people, Biko, look at my condition. I'm pregnant. I'm heavily pregnant. I cannot do this all alone. I cannot do this all alone because I cannot do this all alone because free my guy, Verydarkman, Nigerian police. I'm begging you people. I'm begging you people now because free him. I know that he might have said something that is wrong that made you people to arrest him because I know that you are the one that arrested him because see my condition. Let my condition because see my condition. I will be a woman like you. I'm a woman like you. I see Tonto dikeh because free because release him for me now. Release Verydarkman. I see Tonto dikeh because release him now. Release Verydarkman for me. I see Tonto dikeh because you know I'm a woman like you. Look at my condition. They do condition no more. I see Tonto. See my condition because Bobrisky. I don't know whoever that arrested him. I don't know if it's Bobrisky or I see Tonto dikeh because any of you people because release him. Look at my condition. You do condition no more. Look at my condition because Verydarkman because look at my condition. Verydarkman because free Verydarkman. Release Verydarkman for me. Oh, look at my condition. See my condition now because release Verydarkman.